Hey, it's Monique here. I'm so excited for you that you have invested in one of these amazing 3-in-1 ultrasonic devices from Guide to Better Shopping. I've been using it for the last few months and I'm really loving the results. So I thought in this group, alongside the people from Guide to Better Shopping, I'd share with you some tips on how I've used it to get the best results. So the first question that I thought I'd better answer is, how do you get started? And the first thing you need to know, well, the first thing I did was I actually went and I read the instruction booklet. Mostly because I thought, well, this is a new device, and while I love to play with everything, I didn't want to get it wrong because, you know, it's plugged into the electricity and I want to get the results right. What the book shows you is, in a roundabout sort of way, how to use the machine, what the different functions are, but I'm going to give you some quick bullet points right now. So this top part here, this dome, this is the ultrasonic part. This emits radio frequency, it heats up. This part around the outside is the infrared. Now both these parts are great for mobilizing fat, and they're great for skin regeneration, regenerating cells, and for helping you build collagen. So if you want skin firming and skin plumping and tightening, the top part is going to be the part that you really want to make the most of. If you want to break down fat cells, over here on the side, there's a place where you can actually plug in the electrodes that come with the device. So these things right down here. This is the EMS function. So that's what we call electromagnetic stimulation. So you pop the electrodes onto different areas, and over the next videos, I'll show you which areas are going to be right. You pop them onto muscles or onto acupressure points. If you pop them onto muscles, it will contract the muscles and basically, using electricity, help you burn fat that sits on top of the muscles while making the muscles stronger. And if you pop them onto the acupressure points, they'll help basically mobilize the fat and send it through to your lymphatic system to help the fat drain away. So it kind of depends what you want to do. But I'll show you how to use those functions. All you need to know when it comes to the buttons is the EMS button is the one that controls the electrodes. Under here is your infrared function, and down the bottom is your ultrasonic, and you can have it on a high or low function. So read the manual first, and in the next videos I'll show you what to do with the machine, where to place the electrodes, and how to use the machine on the different areas to get the best results.